Okay, so we just did from the database nation of the world, we did GDP, which is gross domestic product per capita in dollars in log scale against ecological footprint. That means more developed is the country, it's expected to have higher energy consumption. Okay. The second will be how it's related the listen, I'll try to do the same. Again, in the x-axis, we will put an economical development parameter. We will put the gross domestic product per capita. In the y-axis, we will put the human right governance. We will put the perception of corruption. Yeah, it's not that clear, the relationship. Control of corruption. Okay, and the third plot, we will put gross domestic product again. With y-axis. This is new. Another from the database human rights. We will use something with human rights. I can see. Are we in level 3? I don't see the human rights. Here it is in economical development, United Nations Human Rights Development Index. You see, that's the beautiful one. The perception of human according to United Nations. You see, that's the beautiful one, more clear relationship. And we need something with a carbon footprint is already there, corruption index. And then you can play to see what are the top countries. This is Ireland, Luxembourg, we know that. Something in between, Slovenia, Bahamas. Try to see the outliers. New Guinea, a very low one, the lowest. Nigeria. No offense if one of your countries show up. Okay.
Sorry, Professor, through the searching the name of the, we can reach to the point, or we should go from the point of the graph to the name?
What do you mean to get the labels?
Labels, for example, here we have the data about, and by clicking on the spot, we can reach to the specific country and the details. I mean,
yes.
There is no toolbar, the research that we can, for example, search for that country and reaching to that point. I mean, the vice versa.
Here. Let's say here. But I don't know how to put. Sorry. Pass all stages. I mean, at least you can order human rights, for example, from here. And I'll show you the numbers, You see? Control of corruption. Then you can see the specific index in all the countries there. Here, corruption index, this is organized by corruption. And then you can check ordered by name. So corruption is very high in Afghanistan, you see? So the way to do that, if it's the question, this is for all, we don't have any limits with all the stages, all the elements that you have there, or you can choose whatever element there. For all the elements, let's say I want to see GDP. And this is either organized, sorry, GDP. So you see, in not all the countries we have GDP. For example, Afghanistan, sorry, GDP, yes. You see, GDP is not in the list. Let me organize there. Sorry, it is there. You see, you organize by name, but you choose GDP from the lowest to the, I think I can change here. Yeah. Lowest to the highest, Luxembourg, more than 1,000. Switzerland, Norway. Look, this is in US per capita. If you want to look for a specific country, you just organize by number there. You see? Did I answer? Okay, this is human rights development in this plot. And now I want to, let's say, in the selection, the one that we have here. In this case, I select two of them, three of them. And I will generate a report with the three of them. You see, you have the three stages, the three of them. But if I want to read off of corruption index and click there, and then selection again, it will generate the report only for the two. You see? Again, when you go to selection, you can have many plots here, but you want to choose, in this case, these two only. And you can choose some specific countries. Let me do it again. I want to check Afghanistan. I want to check Azerbaijan, just by the numbers. I want to do Burkina Faso, why not Chile, Colombia, then stop, Congo, and then go to selection. Let me see if it works, selection. I'm not sure if it works for these countries. No, it shows all the plots that we have. Doesn't choose the country for some reason. Okay, so you generate this report with the labels, important to put the labels. And now, as I was explaining to you, if you go to Excel, yeah, let me see the Excel file that I have here. Sorry, it takes me some time to get the file, to check the file that I downloaded. That's the report that I downloaded there. Okay, see the report. Okay, it's taking forever. Meanwhile, I ask you to change the database. We'll change the database Here is the report, the Excel file. Okay, here, the old records you asked me if it's you have all the information on the times, the plots that we have, only 181 fulfill the data. Okay, need to check that. Not all the countries are there. I'm looking for the plot. This is the first plot, stage 1. I don't see the number, by the way. Yeah, it has only the plots. Here are the numbers. Here is the number. So those are the ones that I choose. Remember, I choose some of them. So it does generate the table with the country that I choose. But it puts all the indicators. It's even better, I think, you know? You got that? Isidora, you see, it gave you the data there. The one that you choose. Okay, now we will come back to a different part. We will come back to the energy. Let me expand that. Okay, let me go to energy. So yes, I'm still in level 3 sustainability. So I'm gonna delete all of them, right button, and I delete everything, or I can create a new project. I will not save this project. We can come back to this project, not save it, completely new one. We are in level 3 sustainability, but we will do something different. We will play with this. We can play either power generation system or storage. We will go with storage system. Okay, it's already chosen there, storage system. And you have from storage system, you have thermal storage, mechanical storage, this flywheel. Any idea what is a flywheel, Muji? Flywheel? Isidora, flywheel is a mechanical device that is spinning. Actually, we did a job to an electrical company. We keep a big rotor device. So if you don't know, just double click there. It's a spinning, very heavy thing. When you have an electricity, you start rolling. So we're expecting that the time that you can retain the energy is very low. You see? Those are the spinning devices. Okay. This is a flywheel. This is what's new for me. Spring composite, spring metal. You can save energy in something like kind of spring, actually, mechanical energy. The more typical one are in hydrogen, onboard system utility scale, generate and compress. Those are to storage energy. Supercapacitors is very high. It's very quick to charge. Very interesting. You want to compare different parameters. So let's create charts. Let's create charts. Selection from storage. From storage.